Hey there friends, in this video I'm going to show you how you can archive your chats in Telegram. It's really easy and only takes a few clicks. So for example, I have a chat window here that I'm going to send a message to, and I want to archive this chat. So what archiving does is it removes it from your chat history and puts them in a separate folder. So all I have to do is right click on the specific conversation I want to archive and click on the archive button. And now it should be hidden. I can also do this with other conversations, and they're all going to be stored here in the archived folder. So another example would be here in this other account I have a few archived chats that I can access by clicking on this button at the top of my list. So doing so will show you everything you have archived. So it's just a nice little trick to keep your chat history organized and clean. If you ever want to retrieve your chats from your archived folder, doing so is also really easy. Just open the archived chats folder, right click on the conversation, and click on Unarchived. This brings it back to your main chat list.